In physics and mathematics, time is considered as the fourth dimension because it is required to locate and describe the position of an object in space. In the three-dimensional world, an object's position can be determined using three coordinates: length, width, and height. However, to fully describe the position of an object, you also need to know the exact time at which it is located at that position. Therefore, time is often referred to as the fourth dimension. The concept of time as the fourth dimension is especially important in the theory of relativity, which considers spacetime as a four-dimensional continuum. According to this theory, space and time are closely related, and the behavior of objects in space and time is governed by the curvature of spacetime caused by the presence of mass and energy. The four-dimensional spacetime continuum allows scientists to describe the motion and behavior of objects in a way that takes into account both space and time. Overall, considering time as the fourth dimension helps scientists and mathematicians to develop models that can explain the physical phenomena occurring in the universe, from the motion of celestial bodies to the behavior of subatomic particles.